Today I'm taking photos with the Nikon D3500 and the kit lens, so let's see what photos we can get with this. So today I'm just shooting all in auto mode, and that is the green option at the top of the camera here. So all my photos are going to be in RAW, and it's going to be in the auto setting, so let's see how they look. So shooting RAW photos is really cool because you get more editing capabilities, and it's going to be very handy when we're editing photos. So something to note with this camera is that you have a 1.5 crop factor. So when it says 18 millimeter, it's really 18 times 1.5. So this is a 27 millimeter at this point. And at 55, it's 1.5 times 55. So it's probably around 80 millimeters. Let me know what you think of the photos down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.